Prasanna seems to be very busy shopping for her New Year stuff. So let me take you through their collection of kaftans. The kaftan that I am wearing is a beautiful royal blue kaftan, and these type of kaftans you can wear for an evening sundowner or a nice party that requires a little bit of bling. They also have different colors in the one that I'm wearing. You can see this is a red, a pink, purple, and they have cream color and also a blue, and they also have everybody's favorite color, which is a black. So they have different colors. So the highlight of this kaftan is it is a satin material, and the entire highlight of the dress is the beautiful neck, which enhances the entire look. That also means that you do not need to wear any heavy jewelry on this kaftan because the neck is already heavy. Now they also have kaftans that are printed, very nice, very chic, very classy. They also have kaftans which are having nice embroidery, sequence embroidery, you can see, for a nice evening wear. Also you can wear this during the day. They also have colors in it, this beautiful red, and you can look at the sleeves. This is something so different. There is work on the sleeves also. Kaftan looks good on every body type. If you know how to take care of it, if you know how to choose the right color, they look very pretty. And they also have very unique colors like this grape color and the steel color, very beautiful. They also have printed kaftans. Here it is with work, plain and also with work, which makes a very good evening wear. And if you want to wear a kaftan on a daily basis, on a regular basis, they have simple printed kaftans that you can wear every day, maybe for a shopping, maybe for a quiet evening coffee. This is what you can wear. Now, apart from this, they also have heavy kaftans which you can wear for a party, very heavy sequence kaftan. Here it is, beautiful pink which looks very nice on any skin tone. And then they have this color, the maroon, then they have the blue. All beautiful gowns, all beautiful kaftans, all beautiful colors. Now my personal favorite is the satin kaftan. Look at the satin material. So this is a very heavy satin, I mean a very good quality satin, and there is a nice patchwork over here which puts it all together, and it makes you look very pretty. And I also like the length of it. It is like a full length kaftan which makes it also look like a gown. And they also have colors in this one, very nice elegant colors. This is the maroon, this is the rust color. They also have black and some other colors in this. Do check out. Kaftan are so much in, they are so much in fashion. Do check out the huge collection of kaftans at our wardrobe, road number 1, Banjara Hills. There is a lot to shop here. Thank you.